Maayong hapon, no? Today, we're going to talk about physics for engineers, no? This is the dili na kaayo ni siya gina-deal, no? Sa mga kuan kay ang physics man god was already introduced sa senior high, no? Sa senior high na siya. So, physics for engineers, majority yan ni application na lang. Wala na ni siya kaayo gina-introduce ang theory o ang topic o ang detailed explanation. So, daghan kayong topic no i-discuss, but this lesson we're going to talk about the physical quantity. So mangungkag what are the physical quantity? So na duha ka buok physical quantity, no? Ang una, ang gitawag nila scalar, no? Scalar quantity. So mga tana ka, unsa man ang scalar quantity? Ang scalar quantity, it refers to the magnitude alone, no? Magnitude lang. Unsa ganin ang magnitude? Magnitude only. So mo na ka unsa ang magnitude? Magnitude ang example sa magnitude is halimbawa na kay sakyanan, no. Ang imong sakyanan gipadagan nimo kusog kayo. Tawag na to dia speed, no. Speed is a scalar quantity. Example na let's say natay 50 kilometers per hour. So this is a scalar quantity. Kay it talks only about the magnitude. How about the example if you have distance? The distance you have is also scalar. Why? Kasi or the length itself is also scalar. It doesn't talk about direction. Let us say distance like 10 meters. That is distance, no? It talks only about the magnitude. Wala siya direction. Now, another important quantity that we need to understand is katong vector quantity. Mangutana ta unsa man ang vector quantity? Ang vector quantity mao nito siyang naa kay magnitude naa pa kay direction. Ibig sabihin, you will not only have magnitude like the speed, no? Speed is a magnitude alone, no? Distance is a magnitude only, no? Magnitude gyapon. So diri sa pag moingon na kag vector quantity, ang iya na nang ingnon is velocity. Unsa man ang velocity? Velocity is a vector quantity. What does it really mean? It has magnitude and it has direction. Unsa man na? Example na kay 50 kilometer per hour to the east. Ibig sabihin kung naa kay sakyanan or whatever, let's example, sa moving object, no? Let us say you have this car here. It is now moving to the east. Let us say this is where the east is, no? Moving siya og 50 kilometer per hour. Gadagan siya padulong sa east 50 kilometer per hour. Pero kung mingon kag scalar quantity lang, magnitude lang siya. Wala siya ay direction. How about kung say vector quantity aning distance? Ang iya diri is displacement. Ang displacement, example na kay 10 meters north east. No, kuya na nino. Ibig sabihin, if you have this north, this is east, northeast, north of east, tunga, no? Let us say this is a distance of 10 meter. From here up to here, 10 meter, and it has a direction of from north of east. Ibig sabihin, this is east, padulong sa north. Okay? Kuha.